Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to make your own boost leak test kit at home. All you're gonna need is these two things. This is a flexible pipe cap. You can easily find it in a local Home Depot or hardware store in plumbing section. This is 3-inch. I'm using 3-inch because my intercooler outlets are 3-inch. So you can get it in other sizes like 4-inch or 2-inch. These are really flexible, so 2-inch is gonna go on 2.5-inch outlet easily. So, but we are using this 3-inch, and the other thing you're gonna need is your regular tire valve stem. And what you're gonna do is make a hole in this cap here, and just enough big so this can slide in. So I have already made this here. This is what it should look like. You can put some kind of sealant to make it airtight. I'm just using glue. So
Gorilla glue.
yeah, Gorilla glue. so so yeah, just put this on top of your intercooler outlets. One here, one goes over there, and just tighten these. All right, so after that, you can just use your inflator kit and fill it with some air. And I usually go to like 20 psi. So one way to tell is if it's holding the boost. It's holding the boost for quite a bit. There is some leak over here, and I can hear it leaking from here. It's not like super airtight, but you can see it's holding the boost pretty good. The other way to do is you can also use your dishwashing soap and just spray on it like that. And if there is gonna be any leak, it's gonna show up. So yeah, just like use lots of water with dishwashing soap. Put it on both sides. Yeah. So yeah, as you can tell, it's holding the boost pretty good. So I think it passes the test. So yeah, that's about it to see if you, to check your intercooler for any leaks. And yeah. So
Any suggestion?
hope this helped you guys, and stay tuned. We'll be putting this intercooler in my first gen comments over there. Yeah, stay tuned. Thank you very much.